What is the food like on a $2 million yacht? That's what I'm covering today.
Hi, I'm Dan Henry. I used to deliver pizza and sell water bottles to pay my rent. Then I discovered entrepreneurship and grew a $20 million online business. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how.
So we are having lunch on the boat, me and the fam, okay? I'd like to know how everybody loves their food, because this is some black bean, I don't know, it's something, but it's really good. I forgot the whole stack.
Are you serious?
What do you guys think of the food? Mom?
Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
What was your favorite meal?
Every one of them.
Every one of them. What about you, Alice?
Tacos are always my favorite, but it's just like the thing that I love the most about
The food.
Yes.
Food. And Pops.
Too damn good looking to eat.
So then would you like me to eat it?
No, that's fine.
You fine. How do you like the food?
Oh man, are you kidding me?
Like, if you had to create an analogy to describe the food, what analogy would you create?
Died and went to food heaven.
Died, went to food heaven.
Yeah.
Okay. But are you sure it's heaven?
I don't think you could get food like this in the other place. And if you did, it would be burnt.
Oh, it would be charred.
Yeah.
Like every meal would have like a burnt crust, and they would give you a butter knife to scrape it, but then that butter knife, just as you scraped it, it wouldn't scrape it, and you'd be scraping for all eternity, and it wouldn't take the burnt crust off.
No, anything. If you had toast, you'd scrape it down till it was nothing, because it would be
Right.
a piece of charcoal.
Yeah. Right? Is that about right?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You guys ready to eat?
Yes.
You want me to stop recording this?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course!
Okay.
Take my jalapenos.
Give me your jalapenos. Give me your jalapenos. Yes, give them to me. Yes, I will take them. How come you don't like jalapenos?
They're too spicy.
But you're spicy.
I'm already spicy enough.
Oh, you're already spicy enough. Okay.
Oh.
We don't want to get the red ass.
You see this boat over here? Spicy, hot.
How clever.
It's for sale.
How
Yeah.
clever is that? I ain't buying another boat. I already got a boat. I got 3 boats. I got this boat, the dinghy, and
Oh, that one
my
doesn't-
jet boat at home. I'm
that
good.
one doesn't compare to this thing.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe. And if you'd like to learn how I bought a $2 million yacht cash, well, you need some of my free training at getclients.com to help grow your business. Talk soon.